All right, we are in my house. It's warm in here. Out there it's freezing. As the thumbnail showed, we're gonna attempt to rebuild this carburetor right here. See what's wrong with it, which I don't know. I didn't know fuel came out of the fuel line. So I don't know why I didn't want to start last time, but what we're going to do is hopefully get that happening. I don't know this video or not, but we're going to try to. But what I do want to show you, if I can get it to do it, somebody was very curious about this right here in my last video, wanting to know how well this ultrasonic cleaner would do from Harbor Freight, and to be truthfully honest, I want to know too. So that is what we're going to be finding out here in this video. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to unbox this here real quick. Oh, no, go down, look down. Do a quick unboxing here of it and see what's inside of this thing. I know it's kind of weird using this, that tiny little screen that has, and I can see why you want to hook your phone to it, but I want to get away from that. So we'll just go in front here. So we've got instructions, which, well, no guy uses those. I don't know why we do that. It's just a man thing, I guess. So we've got this massive unit with all the plastic in the world, 17 foot of wire. Open the top. We've got more plastic bits for you to put your stuff. This one will easily fit this carburetor without question. I don't know why I was even considering that 6-liter monster. This will easily do the job. We gotta take the choke knob off of it and stuff, but gotta get that bowl off there. Supposedly this little tiny kit here is the correct one for it. Got that off of Amazon. I'm just after the gaskets and seals, that's it. I'm not going to change out jets. Don't see a problem with these, at least I wouldn't think, but we're going to see how well this is going to work. First, we got to tear this down. Oh, what fluid does everybody use? It's a crapshoot. Everybody uses this and that. I'm going to use Dawn dish soap and hot water. That's it. Maybe a touch of degreaser in there, maybe just a splash of the mean green. Don't go full concentrate on stuff. It will ruin aluminum parts. That or purple power. Either way, don't go full stupid on them. Just enough to do the job. So, all right, let's go ahead. Let's get torn into this. Well, I don't know how it sounds on camera. This one's a lot quieter than the last one, but I mean, it fits a carburetor pretty good. Oh, little thing I figured out. This don't come with those little holders, but if you got these old, you can find these on Amazon and stuff, these little coffee maker things. I think I might do a trick right there. We have metal ones, and we threw those out the other day, so we'll see how well this works and everything. Well, this thing's a complete pile. 71, 70, set, on, start. That's your heating element and stuff. And it was buzzing away and then just stopped buzzing. And the instructions were like, cleaner will not start. No power outlet. Well, clearly it's got that. Cord not connected. Clearly it's got that. And then right here, automatic overheat safety shut off feature. What do you mean it gets too hot? Like the damn fan shut off everything and whatnot. So about 15-minute cooldown. This thing's going back. This thing's a pile. Do not get this. This is a piece of shit. All right, I just old school scrubbed it by hand, I guess. So, all right, whatever. Guess we'll just put it back together. Jeez, can't have any fun. All right, so rebuilt, I guess, because this stupid ass Central Machinery ultrasonic cleaner. Don't get it. Don't buy it. That thing's shit out in 5 minutes. Just done. All right, so upside down, I put the aftermarket needle in there, dead identical looking. So maybe somebody's been in here before, but kind of an OE looking gasket, which, you know, whatever. I didn't see any tooling marks that somebody actually been in this car before, but it came apart really easy. So we're gonna find out. But either way, upside down, it holds. So it seals the needle and seat. This way, should be good. It is. So when it's filled up, it should be good. And then the other way, it should not. I can see though, somebody was having some kind of problems with the needle sticking open, because if you look right there, you see that float bowl? Yeah, it's been slam hammered on by a screwdriver 100,000 times. So somebody was having overflow issues or something going on, and it's like, well, maybe you should get into it rather than hammer the damn thing to death. So yeah, somebody's having problems with carb. Get in it, clean it. Or maybe it was a bad fueling issue going on with it, and they're blaming the carb when it could have just been a fuel pump all along. I don't know yet, so we're gonna find out. But yeah, that's gonna be a fun one. Either way, now I gotta go fight it back on. But the choke cable is seized. I tried to move it, and the cable itself is seized, not the part. I thought it was seized inside the carb, and it wasn't. So I got to go look at that, take it apart, and then figure out. But I don't even know if there's really fuel in it. I think I smelt it. It smelled bad, but who knows? So, all right, we'll go see where that leads me to. All right, I got the carburetor back on. Everything. I'm like, hold on. Let's go get the video camera. So let's try this. Carburetor's on. Choke, I got it working, unseized, and then it had a FU moment, whatever. So we're just gonna go with that. Crank over, I got carb spray. Let's see if it's gonna run for the first time in 8 years, losing spark. Can't run it long because there's not much oil in it. Run out of carb spray. Oh, I got an air leak here. No wonder, I've got a lot of air leaks here. What am I doing? I mean, it's kind of hard to start when your impulse pump for your fuel is unplugged. Heck, I even forgot to tighten it down. I'm so excited. And it's kind of hard to start when you have air leaks, right? No fuel's pumping out, so I don't think the tank has anything. Ah, it runs! It runs! First time in 8 years! It runs. It's cold because there's no choke, no fuel, no gas inside of it, but it is a runner. 8 years, everybody. All right. So you know what that tells me? It means that we can keep going. Man, this thing, I'm still learning how to use this. All right, well, we know it runs. That means we can move on to a fuel system and stuff like that. I'll get that choke redone and everything, but it tells me what I need to know. Light works. I've got the light on my head too. tell it to focus on stuff here, but it's good to know it runs, and it sounds great. I'm not hearing any knocking or any crap like that going on. Also, I aired up the tires with a little mini air compressor I got off of Amazon. That's really nice. Oh, I wish I had an auxiliary tank. I don't think I do, unfortunately. I mean, I got the petcock went out on that. Here we go, we'll put a motorcycle gas tank on it, but. All right. Well, we know it's going to run, so that'll get us the next step on, yeah, no face detected. I feel you. So, all right, well, we're going to wrap that up for this one, because the next one I want to make for doing the oil change. I actually got to look up how to do that. Where's the oil drain plug on this? I did skim through the manual and see where there's like a sediment part of it, where you undo the sediment bowl and stuff, and have to do stuff with that. How do you get this thing to recenter? Follow. I don't know. This thing is so much fun, right? So, all right. I just want to say thanks for watching, everybody. Yeah, that ultrasonic cleaner, I give that a 0. That sucks. That's going back to Harbor Freight. It's Christmas Eve, the 23rd. So I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, and I should have this video out for you Friday. I don't know if Friday's the last one of the year or not, but like I say, still learning to use this dang old camera, which I like its convenience. I like how it follows me and everything and stuff and whatnot. So, all right, I'm done yammering. Till then, thanks for watching. It actually tells me I can get the proper battery for it and everything, but we'll wait till it's actually riding. But hope you watched the last video on this. If not, I will put a link in the description, or it'll link to it or something. Whatever. I'll figure it out. Till then, thanks for watching, everybody.